With heavy hearts we report Family Matters Darius McCrary accused of doing most shocking thing. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Darius McCrary, known mostly for his performance in the 90s family sitcom Family Matters, is being accused by his estranged wife of injuring their 2-year-old daughter, leaving her crying in pain. According to The Blast, Tammy Bronner claims she has medical records to prove that the former child star partially dislocated our daughter's arm back in March 2018. Bronner went on to add that McCrary has allegedly not been following court-ordered custody rules regarding their toddler daughter, Zoe, and even further stated that the actor took to the radio to share that I have been telling and coaching our 2-year-old daughter to lie and say that dad hurt her. The records, which Bronner claims she has, state that Zoe was in pain and cried when attempting to move the arm. The doctors ultimately concluded that she had nursemaid's elbow, which is a common elbow injury among young children that occurs when the elbow is pulled, resulting in one of the bones moderately dislocating. Further confirming McCrary's alleged careless parenting, Bronner went on to claim that while the two were ordered to take co-parenting classes together, the actor is yet to show up. I cannot co-parent by myself, she said. I have gone above and beyond to parent with Mr. McCrary, but he appears to be too bitter and too much of a tyrant to parent with me. His soon-to-be ex Tammy Bronner alleges that the 42-year-old actor had grabbed their daughter Zoe's arm, which resulted in her crying, according to court documents obtained by The Blast. The 32-year-old former Harlem Globetrotters player claims that in March of this year, McCrary partially dislocated our daughter's arm, as she also attached medical records. The child was 2 years old at the time. She also attached medical records from the incident, as at the time she had told doctors the girl was taken to the bathroom as he grabbed her arm. However, McCrary denied his estranged wife's claims and said he grabbed one hand to lift her up and immediately grabbed the other. The report by the doctor states that the girl was in pain and cried when attempting to move the arm. Bronner also claims that he has not been following court orders regarding custody of their child. The Blast reports that Zoe was diagnosed with nursemaid's elbow, which is a common arm injury for kids when a child's elbow is pulled and one of the bones partially dislocates. The documents they obtained say that doctors performed the procedure and that Zoe handled it well. Bronner also made other claims, including that they had been court-ordered to take co-parenting classes, but McCrary had skipped out on it. She also said that the former sitcom star had shown up to a monitored visit with another child. I cannot co-parent by myself, Bronner said, according to the publication's documents. I have gone above and beyond to parent with Mr. McCrary, but he appears to be too bitter and too much of a tyrant to parent with me. But according to TMZ, McCrary filed documents claiming Bronner had lied and that she was the one who had attacked him with an iron, burning his chest. He claimed his wife has a history of violence and he has had to call local law enforcement 3 times as a result of her abuse, including one time when she threatened him with a knife, TMZ reported. In his legal documents, McCrary had alleged that Bronner, a former Harlem Globetrotter, is desperate for stardom and jealous of his fame. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.